Suyash is dyslexic, and he's suffering from all three forms of dyslexia: dyscalculia, dysgraphia and dyslexia.
First week of March I got my kids' result and they were not really good.
Making him sit in one place and do his work was very difficult for me, so I had to think of games to make him do.
I knew he was dyslexic, but problem pata hai, but what about the solution? There was no concrete solution to his problems.
Hi, my name is Avinash Bartake and welcome to Neural Space. Like most parents, my wife Eileen and I were on a lookout for a program that could help our children do better academically and help them relate to the world in a more meaningful manner. This search led us to an organization in the US called LearningRx and culminated in the formation of Neural Space the way it is today in the month of August 2010 here in Pune. A child underperforms, especially academically. For most parents, the solution usually lies in additional coaching classes like tuitions, changing the division, changing schools. I've known of parents go to the extent of even enroll their children in boarding schools. However, what they don't realize is they are focusing on the periphery and ignoring the crux. The crux is the cognitive skills, the learning skills foundation.
See, mainly when we think about cognitive skills, it's a lot of different components come into picture, because when mainly the brain processes any information, there are a lot of tangents affiliated with that. It is not as simple process as we think in terms of, as you answered me, questioned me, and I'm just answering in the flow, or probably somebody a problem is given and we instantly resolve that. But at the back of our mind, what goes on is a very complex process, which is a mixture of your memories, your understandings, whatever you have learned, your past, your earlier experience, and obviously the most important is your processing speed of your brain.
What we do at Neural Space here is work on the core mental processes, which are called the cognitive skills. Cognitive skills are the essential tools that anyone has to use to get any mental task done. At the end of it, what you have is a child who has a strong learning foundation where learning becomes fun, easy, enjoyable. So essentially at Neural Space we are what we call a brain training company.
What makes Neural Space effective is our program, the BrainRx program. This has come about because of our collaboration with LearningRx USA, the world's #1 child enrichment programs. Now, this program has come about after a lot of research and scientific study, and it aims at exponentially improving core thinking skills.
Being from the field of sports rehabilitation and by occupational therapist by profession, I knew that there is nothing happening in India as such. Especially in the systematic training process, because I'm sure that everybody does in bits and pieces. Probably as an occupational therapist, a lot of therapists are doing their job too, but definitely not in the structured manner what your center has come up with.
The BrainRx program spans over 12 weeks and aims at eliminating weaknesses and building on strengths. Now, each child has a customized module which takes into account his or her own personality and set of cognitive skills. And these procedures or this module is administered by well-chosen trainers who do this program on a one-on-one basis. They not only administer the program but also act as a guide and counselor for the child.
Yes, absolutely. The results are guaranteed. In fact, the program comes with an inherent guarantee with it.
I was getting 75 to 80%, sometimes more than 80, like regularly. So I thought that I was getting pretty good marks. So I didn't expect that I was going to go for this class to develop the brain more. So I was a bit surprised. And before joining Neurospace, I never answered on the board, or I never raised my hand and answered.
I don't even know how much I got in my 11th first semester. I don't even have the guts to go and ask my college how much I got, because I know I fared really bad.
See, I've been having a problem in studies. Like, I've never been able to focus in studies. I've never been able to focus on a single particular game for a long time. And this has been happening to me since the since I came back to Pune. That was in 8th standard.
But now teachers are also giving good comments about me, that I'm answering in class, I'm writing answers on the board, and I'm completing my work.
But like now, when I came to know about Neurospace, it was actually like a blessing in disguise for me, because they've actually they've built up a confidence within me to face the world outside.
And then after this, I started. I could gauge for myself how one is supposed to study, how it's different. I didn't need anyone to tell me. I could just. It just came to me automatically. So, and then at that time I must have got something around my 50s. Now in the 11th finals I got 79, which is like a big leap for me.
Yeah, this time I'm #1 in class, and I'm pretty proud of myself. But it's because of this class, so I like this class more.
However, the real proof lies in what parents who've enrolled their children in our program have to say. It's just extremely exciting for us every day when some parent or the other comes back to us with feedback as to how the teachers back at school have given feedback for the child, increased self-esteem, increased self-confidence, better learning ability. We have a number of parents who've now enrolled both their siblings for the program. So my suggestion is, take a look at what our parents have to say.
We started this program mid-Jan. I was very skeptical, but he somehow, I think, proved both me wrong and Avinash right by sticking and coming regularly every single day for that entire 1 month.
After 6 sessions of brain training, where he got 50% in the final result, at home when he again retried that paper, he got 85%.
He didn't like writing at all. So now he's making an effort, to try and complete his work. Out of the 8 answers, he finishes 7 at least. So there's one that is left to do at home. Otherwise, it used to be the other way around. 1 or 2 is done and the rest had to be done at home.
Of course, it was worth. It was worth. In fact, as I've told earlier, I should have enrolled him before the exams.
At first, I was apprehensive about the amount of the investment, but if it made him a confident and responsible person, which I thought it would, it has done. I mean, I've recommended it to a lot of my friends.
Having put Suyash here, I am now wanting to put my younger son also, and my younger son does not have any problems. But I want him here because if there is any scope of him having more confidence, being more positive in his approach to his studies, being more positive overall, I don't mind investing. That money is my investment for my son.